Welcome to Wildsnap Rare, where nature reveals its most breathtaking and untold stories. In the wild, survival is not just a struggle, it's an art. Every movement, every sound, every second matters. Far from the noise of human life, there exists a world ruled by instinct, power, and mystery. A world where the hunter becomes the hunted, and the smallest creature can outsmart the strongest predator. Imagine standing in the heart of the wilderness, hearing the distant roar of a lion echo through the savannah, or witnessing a silent predator stalking its prey with unmatched precision. These are not just moments. They are rare glimpses into the raw truth of nature. At Wildsnap Rare, we bring you closer than ever before to the hidden lives of animals, from intense predator chases to unexpected friendships in the wild, to moments so rare they've only been captured once in a lifetime. Every video tells a story. A story of survival, of intelligence, of beauty, and sometimes of pure unpredictability. You'll see animals not as you've seen them before, but as they truly are, wild, free, and extraordinary. So whether you're fascinated by powerful predators, curious about rare species, or simply love the beauty of nature, this is your place. Get ready to explore the unseen, the unexpected, and the unforgettable. This is not just nature. This is Wildsnap Rare. Subscribe now and step into the wild like never before.